Welcome to the Hope High School Bobcats' first journey. This year, our robotics team took on the challenge of building and competing in the FIRST Robotics Competition. FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. And it's not just about robots. It's about teamwork, innovation, and creativity. Let's dive into our journey.
I'd like to call this meeting to order. Let's make Bobcats great again.
This year's theme, Reefscape, challenged us to design a robot capable of navigating a simulated underwater environment. The goal was to collect and deliver game pieces like coral and algae to specific zones to score points. Strategy was key, and understanding the game elements was the first step.
So this is our reef mock-up. It's relatively simple. Let's start at the bottom first. So at the bottom here we have this small lit area that you can place the coral in. That is our base area, and once the coral is put inside that area, you get a total of 2 points. You have multiple different ways of scoring. For instance, your primary methods of scoring coral on this reef are going to be placing them on these poles right here. Another way of scoring is to get it on the top pole right here. That's going to give you the most points that you can get using the coral, which is 7 points. This is 5 and this is 4 points. Another thing that you can do on the reef is you can take algae off. Algae are these big balls that we use that are 16 inches long, 16 inches in diameter. And the purpose of them is to get them off, hold them, and shoot them in the processor.
Our journey began with brainstorming. As a team, we analyzed the game rules and created a strategy for how our robot would compete. From there, the real work began.
The first step in building our robot was the drivetrain. Essentially, the base of the robot that allows it to move. It's like the skeleton of a robot and needed to be strong and reliable. Next came the bumper. This ain't just a decoration, guys. They protect our robot near matches and make it competition legal.
The real challenge was building the elevator and the intake system. This part of our robot allows us to pick up and deliver game pieces accurately. It took us hours of designing, testing, reworking just to get it right. Once the robot was fully assembled, it was time to practice driving. This is where everything came together, our strategy, our building, and our teamwork. Watching the bot in action was incredibly rewarding.
We're so proud of what we accomplished this season. We can't wait to see what's next. To all future engineers and innovators out there, this is just the beginning. Thank you for supporting our robotics team. See you next season, and let's make Bobcats great again.